Hello everyone, welcome to Browse.ai. So what is this AI tool all about? It's a tool that lets us scrape and extract info from any web page without coding or complex scripts. Well, they explain it here, right? No code, AI powered, 7,000 plus integrations, services, scalability, web data extraction. That's what this AI tool does, okay? They give us use cases for data extraction like e-commerce, LLMs, scraping reviews and so on, price monitoring, real estate, investors and more. So let's hit get started, okay? We'll continue with Google. Here, it asks some intro questions to learn a bit about who we are, and now we're inside the tool itself. Alright, we have robots, workspaces, API, billing, okay? We get 50 free credits in workspaces. It's that simple. Very well. How does Browse.ai work, and how can we extract structured data or monitor site changes? Well, basically we're going to extract data, information, and we'll use a link, say from YouTube, right? Let's see what info it pulls. I've chosen this video, for example, okay, you've got 375 subscribers, it's by spatial nodes, blah blah blah. I don't know which channel it is, huh? Does this web page require login? I click start robot training. We can use a Chrome extension or the Robot Studio, okay? And it'll connect to the server and all that. Truth is, I think YouTube's a pretty general site. Yes, it is a web page, don't get me wrong, but not quite in the usual sense. There, you've seen the bot detector go off, right? Here's what I said. Oh, I've been caught. The page I'm trying to access seems to have bot detection. Don't worry, I'm changing tactic. Now, the bot is recording everything I do, like clicks, okay? For example, to accept cookies. I just want to see what information it gives me. Look, it asked what kind of info I want extracted. I clicked on capture text, okay? And what type of information do you want extracted? Well, just text. Now I have to select what to extract. For instance, I want the title extracted, visible text. I want the name and subscriber count, also visible text. And then extract the comments themselves, right? Then I click confirm. It says name the text. Okay, name the text, title, next. Channel. I should have put these separately, right? And here, comments. Okay, so there I have that. And I can click save, alright? Then I just click finish. Now we have the bot trained and ready, okay? We click save video details and the bot is created. That was quick and easy, wasn't it? Plus, it only charges 1 credit per task, which is pretty good. Here we can also build more bots to do the monitoring, which is similar to data extraction, but ongoing. And that's it. Alright, let's take a look at Browse.ai quote S billing, okay? We start with 20. Oh, we're on annual payment. Let's switch to monthly payment. Yeah, sure. Wait, hold on. They give us more credits this way. Monthly plan starts at $50, 2,000 credits, meaning 2,000 robot runs. We get 10 robots, 1 user, email support, and 1 integration. $50. Is that a lot? Is it too little? Well, it's quite a bit. It's a fair amount, but think what a programmer charges to scrape a site, and you can run it locally. So, if you weigh it up, it's not that expensive. It depends on your use and the return you get, right? For 2,000 credits a month, it doesn't seem too high to me. I mean, I have 50 credits, use just 1 to scrape a whole YouTube video page, for example. Of course, it's different if you want to scrape 10,000 pages. That'll cost you about $300 a month. Well, it's up to each person to decide if it's worth it based on their own cost-benefit analysis. Let's also take a look at other reviews, which is something I rarely do, to be honest. And we can see that it doesn't have many reviews. Look, let's check G2. They have quite a few. Oh, here they have a 3.2 on Trustpilot, okay? One says, I can't log in. Well, that's not much to go on, right? I can't cancel my subscription. And here support responds to them, which is good. Support replies again, nice. Okay, so they have good customer support. They have a 3.2 comma, but it's only 7 votes, and some reviews seem a bit unfair, you know? Then we're on G2, where the reviews are much more professional from verified users and such. We've got 4.8 stars, so it looks really promising, huh? Great functionality, easy to use. My favorite scraper. Honestly, from what we've tested, it's clear that it works very, very well. So there you have it.